Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, Pooji. Good morning, Jasleen. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Swati. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good morning, Bharti. Good morning, everyone. I am good, Swati. Thank you for asking. How are you, dear? How are you, everyone? How are you all doing? How was your day yesterday, everyone? Good morning, Rama. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Kalpana. Good morning, Prince. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? All good? Hi, Subhav. I am good. How are you? I am fine, everyone. I am fine. Thank you so much for asking. Hello, Bhumi. Good morning. Good morning, Shreya. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I have sent the video. Where have you sent it? Yeah. हाँ Prince, I have received your video on my mail ID. लेकिन जो कंपटीशन वाली वीडियो है वो आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेजनी है. जो पोस्टर है ना, जो पोस्टर है उसमें एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया हुआ है, आपको उस पर भेजनी है. आपने भेजी उसमें? Prince, have you sent it over there as well? Everybody, how many of you have sent your videos for the competition? Tell me. How many of you have sent your video for the competition? Tell me. Okay. So, have you sent the video for the competition on the WhatsApp number? Okay, Bhumi has done that. Prince has done that. What about others? What about others? You have done that? Everyone? Okay. What about others? What about Subhav, Rama? What about Bharti, Preeti, and Swati, Purvi? All about you. Have you sent your videos? Have you sent your videos for the competition? That's what I. How about you, Bharti? Have you sent your videos for the competition on the WhatsApp number? Hello, Alka. हेलो एवरीवन. आयान, ये वाली चीज़ मैंने आपको 2 दिन से बता रही थी कि जो टॉपिक है. पूर्वी, यू हैव सेंड द वीडियो? ओके, वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड. आई विल सेंड टुमारो. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो एवरीबडी, यू हैव टू सेंड योर वीडियोज. आयान, ये वाली चीज़ मैं आपको 2 दिन से बता रही हूँ कि आपका एक कॉम्पिटिशन चल रहा है, वेरन आपको एक पोस्टर है जो आपकी रावल डिजिटल मंच के फेसबुक पेज पे मिल जाएगा, जहाँ पर टॉपिक्स है. तो उन टॉपिक्स पे आपको वीडियो बनानी है 1 मिनट की, किसी भी एक टॉपिक पर उसको आपको वीडियो भेजनी है. तो आपने भेज दी वो व्हाट्सएप पे. कल ही मैंने आपको टास्क दिया था ना, कल आपका सीक्रेट बॉक्स यही था दैट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर वीडियो फॉर द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड यू हैव टू सेंड इट. गुड मॉर्निंग कुश. गुड मॉर्निंग मयंक. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. ओके, जसलीन, सेंड इट टुडे. डोंट वेट फॉर टुमारो. टुमारो डजंट कम. सेंड इट टुडे. ओके. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? Okay, Ayan, do send it today, okay? Do send it. What about Kush? Kush, have you sent the video? And what about you, Rama? Have you sent your video for the competition? Have you done that? Give me a yes or a no. ये जो संतोष है, मैं यहाँ पे फेसबुक की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे कंपटीशन की बात कर रही हूँ. कि आपने जो वीडियो, जो रावल डिजिटल मंच का जो कंपटीशन चल रहा है, जहाँ पे आपको किसी भी जो भी टॉपिक दिया हुआ है, किसी भी एक टॉपिक पे वीडियो बना के जो नंबर दिया हुआ है व्हाट्सएप का, उस पर भेजनी है। ठीक है, उस पर भेजनी है, नहीं आपको फेसबुक पे नहीं भेजनी है, आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेजनी है। जो पोस्टर है, उस पोस्टर में एक नंबर है, तो आपको वहाँ भेजनी है। तो हाँ जी, आप वहाँ पे भेजिए, डोंट सेंड इट ओवर हियर। सो वाई रमा, वाई हैवंट यू डन दैट? इट वाज योर सीक्रेट बॉक्स आल्सो। मैम, आई हैव मेड द वीडियो, यू हैव मेड, नॉट मेक नाउ, you have made the video and send the video also, but not sending the video because, but the video is not able to deliver, ऐसे बोलो, but the video is not able to deliver because of network issue. Okay, that's why you, सिर्फ आपको जो आपका सीक्रेट बॉक्स था तरीका, मयंक शी इज योर सिस्टर राइट, आप उसको समझा देना। ओके, मयंक शी इज योर सिस्टर राइट, आप उसको समझा देना। ठीक है, so everyone, let's begin the session for the day. Let's begin the session for the day, everyone. हाँ जी, आपको व्हाट्सएप पे ही भेजना है, आपको टास्क भेजना है, टास्क नहीं भेजना, सिर्फ आपको कंपटीशन की वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पे भेजनी है। ठीक है, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स, एंड आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द सेशन फॉर द डे एवरीवन? टेल मी, फटाफट बताओ। मैम, आई हैव सेंड इट टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग, यू हैव डन दैट गुड, you have done that in the morning. Everyone, are you excited for the session for the day? Just give me a yes so that we can begin. Awesome, awesome. What about others? Purvi is saying yes. What about others? Awesome, awesome. Very good, very good, very good. You have to keep up this excitement always, okay? Very good. So let's start our session. So yesterday, everyone, मैं आपको एक बार क्लियर कर देती हूँ, प्लीज आराम से सुनो। वीडियो में आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप यूनिफॉर्म पहन रहे हो, लेकिन आपको वीडियो में प्रेजेंटेबल लगना है, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग इज, जो टॉपिक है कंपटीशन के वीडियो के, आप जब रावल डिजिटल मंच के पेज पे जाओगे, फेसबुक पेज पे, आप जब नीचे जाओगे थोड़ा सा, तो आपको पोस्टर्स दिखेंगे ब्लू कलर के, आपको ब्लू कलर के पोस्टर्स दिखेंगे जिसमें कंपटीशन की डिटेल्स है, जिसमें कंपटीशन की डिटेल्स है। ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे टॉपिक्स लिखे हैं कि आपको किस किस टॉपिक पे वीडियो बना सकते हो, जिसमें से आपको एक चूज करना है। उसके बाद आपको 1 मिनट की वीडियो बनानी है, और उस 1 मिनट की वीडियो को बना के आप लोगों को वहाँ पे एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया हुआ है, आई गेस वो 840 से स्टार्ट होता है, तो वो नंबर पे आपको अपनी वीडियो को भेजनी है। समझ आया? I will not provide the topics for the competition. Topics are provided by Raval Digital Manch only, your school only. तो आपको वहाँ पे देखना है। I will not give you the topics. समझ आया सबको? इतनी कंफ्यूजन क्यों क्रिएट करते हो? समझ आया सबको? Got it? Everybody understood? Understood everyone? समझ आया? Give me a yes or no. समझ आया सबको कंपटीशन का? Good morning, Sandhya. Sandhya, have you forwarded your video for the competition? Tell me. Okay. So if you have understood, please send your videos finally by today. Don't wait for the other things. कि कल कर लेंगे, परसों कर लेंगे. ठीक है? Don't wait for the time. You have to send it by today only. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Awesome. So let's begin the session for the day, everyone. So yesterday we talked about, what did we talk about yesterday, everyone? बताओ, किस किस को याद है? And everybody of you, are you preparing notes? Are you preparing notes, everyone? Ma'am, give me your email ID. My email ID is poojagulati999@gmail.com. POOJAGULATI 999@gmail.com. This is my mail ID. Okay. Dipesh Saini. Okay. Dipesh, have you forwarded your video? If you haven't done that for the competition, do that. Okay. All right. Awesome. So what did we talk about yesterday, everyone? फटाफट बताओ. Let me see that how much memory power do you have, everyone. बताओ किसके बारे में बात करी थी हम लोगों ने? What did we talk about yesterday? Memory management. We talked about how to improve your memory power, right? So all of you, was that insightful? You enjoyed the session yesterday? You enjoyed the yesterday's session? It helped you? It helped you? Awesome. So today we'll be talking about something very exciting, something very amazing, and that is how to have happiness in your life. How to have happiness in your life, right? Today we'll be talking about happiness, right? So today we'll be talking about happiness, everyone. Yes, we talked about all these things. So today we will be talking about happiness. Excited? Excited, everyone? You all want to be happy always? You all want to be happy always, everyone? Give me a yes or a no. You all want to be happy? Right? You all want to be happy, right? What about others? Prince is saying yes. Purvi is saying yes. Okay. What about others? Yes, of course. OF आएगा. OFCOURST, of course. Okay. Okay, awesome. So tell me, everyone, what do you understand by the word happiness? Tell me, what do you mean by the word happiness, everyone? आपको क्या लगता है? What is the meaning of happiness? बताओ. In one word, how will you define happiness? What is happiness to you? Tell me. Tell me, everyone. What is happiness to all of you? What does it mean to you? Tell me. Tell me happiness in one word. Yes नहीं बोलना. Happiness का मतलब बताना है. Happiness का मतलब बताओ. क्या है मतलब happiness का? और कोई Google पे जाके मेरे को वहाँ से definition copy paste करके नहीं भेजेगा. You all are very smart. I am smarter than you. मुझे पता चल जाता है. मैम हैप्पी होना, तो ये हैप्पी का मतलब क्या होता है? यही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि आप बोल रहे हो हैप्पीनेस का मतलब है हैप्पी होना, तो ये हैप्पी होता क्या है? हैप्पीनेस इज थिंग व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी. व्हाट इज दिस हैप्पीनेस? वो हैप्पी क्या है? ये हम ये जो हैप्पी वर्ड यूज करते हैं, वेरी रिलैक्स. ओके. व्हाट एल्स एवरीवन? व्हाट एल्स? हैप्पीनेस इज एग्जैक्टली इट्स अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, इट्स अ फीलिंग. व्हाट एल्स एवरीवन? वेरी गुड. और फीलिंग की स्पेलिंग ये नहीं होती है, FEELING होती है. स्माइल. ओके मैम. इफ वी आर वेरी गुड, इफ वी आर इन वेरी गुड मूड. इंग्लिश सुधारो अपनी. इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश, एवरीवन. हैप्पीनेस इज अ फीलिंग टू एक्सप्रेस आवर एक्साइटमेंट. ओके. व्हाट एल्स एवरीवन? कुछ फीलिंग की स्पेलिंग ये नहीं होती है. It's FEELING. It's not FELLING. Okay? What about others? What do you understand by? What do you understand? Mayank, you focus on your learning. Don't focus कि कौन कहाँ से copy paste कर रहा है. ठीक है? It's a good feeling. Okay. So happiness is a feeling which we experience in our inside, which gives us satisfaction and relaxation. When we are satisfied from something, for example, हम लोगों को mango ice cream बहुत अच्छी लगती है. ठीक है, हम लोग को मैंगो आइसक्रीम बहुत अच्छी लगती है, तो हम जब मैंगो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं तो वी फील सैटिस्फाइड, वी फील रिलैक्स्ड, isn't it? That gives us happiness. Happiness is a state of mind when we are relaxed and when we are satisfied. Okay? जब हम satisfied होते हैं, हम relaxed होते हैं, it gives us feeling of happiness. Right? We are very joyful. हमें ऐसा लगता है हम बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं. Why? Because we are satisfied. We are relaxed from the inside. Okay? That gives us happiness in the inside. This is known as being happy. This is happiness. Right? But nowadays we actually suffer to be happy all the time. Isn't it everyone? क्या आप हमेशा खुश रहते हैं? क्या आपके मूड में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएशंस होते हैं? All of you, do you remain happy always, or are there any fluctuations that happen in your mood? Tell me. Tell me everyone. फ्लक्चुएशंस होते हैं ना आपके मूड में, होते हैं ना, कभी आप गुस्सा हो जाते हो, कभी आप सैड हो जाते हो, कभी आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, यू गेट इरिटेटेड, यू आर नॉट हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, in their time they used to be happy always. They used to be happy always just because उनको पता था, उनके पास इतनी सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी, उनके पास सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, राइट? उनके पास सोशल मीडिया नहीं था. वो इरिटेट इसलिए नहीं होते थे क्योंकि उनके पास इतनी ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी. उनका वे ऑफ लिविंग बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल था. वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में खुशियाँ देखते थे. लेकिन आज अगर हमारे पास एक आईफोन भी आ जाए तब भी हम लोग खुश नहीं होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको ये हमारी नज़र होती है दूसरे पे. They're always targeting about what others have. What others have. So for example, आज आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको एक ड्रेस दिलाई. For example, today your parents bought you a dress today. बट आपकी नज़र सामने वाले की ड्रेस पे होगी कि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने मुझे वैसी ड्रेस नहीं दिलाई. So when you are dissatisfied, it doesn't give you happiness. So why we are not satisfied? हमारे अंदर satisfaction क्यों नहीं आता है? Just because we are constantly comparing ourselves. आज मैंने इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी तरह नहीं बोली जितनी वो बोलती है. आज मैंने अपने आप को इतनी अच्छी तरह प्रेजेंट नहीं किया जितनी वो करती है. आज मेरी ड्रेस इतनी अच्छी नहीं है जितना उसकी ड्रेस अच्छी है. So we are constantly comparing ourselves. We are constantly comparing ourselves. So when we are comparing ourselves, what happens over there is we are not able to be happy. पहले ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था कि there were some norms of body types also, कि हमेशा हमें पतला रहना है, लेकिन हमें कैसी हमारी बॉडी कैसी होनी चाहिए, हमारा बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होना चाहिए, हमारे बाल कैसे होने चाहिए, हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं होता था. लेकिन जब सोशल मीडिया आया हमने देखा कि अच्छा लोग ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं और हमें वो चीज़ देख के अच्छा लगा. हम उनको देख के फिर अपने आप को कंपेयर करते कि उसकी बॉडी तो ऐसी है, मेरी तो नहीं है, उनके बाल ऐसे हैं, मेरे को भी ऐसे बाल चाहिए, मेरे आई डोंट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पेक्स, मुझे भी ऐसा स्पेक्स चाहिए. तो वहाँ पे हमारा जो सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी आर नॉट हैप्पी. Understood everyone? Got to understand? And that is why we are not happy these days, because we are not satisfied, we are not relaxed. Okay? Got it everyone? Got it? समझ आया? Okay, very good. What about others? Ayan is saying yes. What about others? आपको happiness का basic concept समझ आया? So write down in your notebook that I will not compare myself to anyone. Write down in your notebooks everyone that I will not compare myself to anyone. Write down. I will not compare myself to anyone. Write it down in your notebooks. Let me know when you have done that. Okay? Write me done when you will write that. Written everyone, give me done. If you have written in your notebook, write done over here. Write done. I will not compare myself to anyone. राइट इट डाउन कि मैं अभी कभी अपने see Subhav, that becoming dissatisfied is something that comes in the success wala formula, but happiness ke liye the formulas are different. You have to give your mind the command. Okay, please repeat. So you have to write down, I will not compare myself to anyone. I will not compare myself to anyone. और compare की spelling ठीक लिखना, मतलब गलत करेंगे आपको. All of you have written? Very good. So let's move forward to understand how you can be happy always. How you can be happy always. You want to know about it, everyone? How to be happy always? You want to know that how to be happy always? Yes or no? Very good, very good. You are such great students. If you have written it, awesome. Very good, everyone. Written, everyone? Very good. So everyone, let me give you a small example. किसने सुल्तान मूवी देखी है? Everybody, have you seen the movie Sultan? How many of you have seen the movie Sultan? Tell me. How many of you have seen the movie Sultan? Tell me. Ayan has seen. What about others? How many of you have seen the movie Sultan? What about others? You have seen the movie Sultan? Everyone, have you seen the movie Sultan? Okay. So Sultan के end में क्या होता है? What happens at the end of the movie in Sultan? That सलमान खान को एक चीज रियलाइज होती है कि वो अपने आप को दूसरों से compete कर रहा है. That's why he is not able to give his best. That's why he is not able to give his best. लेकिन जो एंडिंग सीन होता है मूवी का, ही फील्स दैट, वो अपने अंदर ये महसूस करता है कि जो मेरे सामने वाला जो भी रेसलर है, वो भी मैं ही हूँ. एंड जब वो चीज़ वो फील करता है, उसके लिए सक्सेस पाना, उसके लिए हैप्पीनेस पाना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. Isn't it everyone? That is why it is said that you should not compare yourself to others कि दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं, वो इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, मैं इतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा. ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचना. आप अपने आप को ये सोचो कि कल जो मैं था और आज जो मैं हूँ, मेरे में डिफरेंस है कि नहीं है. Compare yourself with yourself. Because when you do that, you get to know कि मेरे अंदर क्या क्या कमियां हैं. You get to know that मेरे अंदर क्या क्या लूप होल्स है. आप उस पर काम भी कर सकते हो. और आपको ये भी होता है, आपको ये चीज़ भी रियलाइज होती है कि हाँ, मैंने कल से और आज में अपने आप को कितना इम्प्रूव किया. Got it everyone? समझ आया सबको? So you will never compare yourself to anyone, okay? You will only compare yourself with yourself, so that you can grow in your life. खुद को खुद से कंपेयर करो. ये मत सोचो कि सामने वाला क्या कर रहा है. आप अपने आप को, अपनी स्टोरी देखो, आप अपनी स्टोरी में क्या हो. राइट एवरीवन? मेक सेंस? समझ आया सबको? Exactly. You can only defeat your weaknesses. You can only defeat your fears, okay? Only you can do that. Right? So let's move forward to understand how you can be happy always. So let's understand simple ways to be happy always. The first thing through which you can be happy always, everyone, is to love yourself. First aspect over here is to love yourself. What happens over here is we don't love ourselves, right? हम बोलते हैं कि हम अपने आप को प्यार तो करते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हो तो आप ऐसा क्या करते हो जिसकी वजह से आपको अच्छा लगे? अगर आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हो तो आपको किस चीज़ को करके खुशी मिलती है? क्या आप वो रोज़ करते हो? जब आप अपने माइंड को रोज़ ये सब बोलते हो कि तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट, यू आर सो बैड एट दिस, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू दैट, दिस और दैट, इज दिस सेल्फ लव? दिस इज नॉट सेल्फ लव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप यू लव समवन, यू लव योर पेरेंट्स, राइट? तो आप उनको कभी कभी नेगेटिव मोटिवेशन तो नहीं देते. आप उनको ये तो नहीं कहते कि पापा आपसे कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. हम उनको कहते हैं पापा आप करो, हम आपके साथ हैं, इजंट इट? लेकिन आप खुद से कैसे बात करते हो? आप खुद से कैसे बात करते हो कि मुझसे तो ये चीज़ हो ही नहीं रही है, मुझसे ये चीज़ कभी हो ही नहीं पाएगी, आई विल नेवर बी एबल टू डू इट, मेरे अंदर वो कैपेबिलिटीज़ ही नहीं है, मेरे अंदर वो स्किल्स ही नहीं है. एंड व्हेन यू टेल योरसेल्फ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, and when you tell yourself all these things, is this self love, everyone? Yes or no? Tell me, is this self love? लाइक अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, मुझे बुक्स पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई लव टू रीड बुक्स, आई लव टू रीड बुक्स. सो एवरी डे आई गिव सम टाइम टू माई सेल्फ टू रीड अ बुक, राइट? एंड व्हेन आई रीड बुक, मैं जब बुक पढ़ती हूँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट गिव्स मी हैप्पीनेस. So do what gives you happiness every day. What happens is your mind relaxes, it gives you satisfaction, and आपकी happiness है वो बाहर अपने आप आती है. Got it everyone? समझ आया? Got it? आप भी अपने लिए फाइंड आउट करो कि आपको क्या करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है. मे बी आपको डांस करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, मे बी आपको ड्राइंग करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, मे बी आपको पेंटिंग करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, मे बी आपको सिंगिंग करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, मे बी आपको एक्सरसाइज करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है. तो आपको वो रीज़न फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे किस चीज़ से खुशी मिलती है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड? इजी इजी. So do the things you love every day. This gives you very good amount of happiness, okay? This gives you very good amount of happiness. The second aspect towards developing happiness in your real life is, the most important is having a beautiful smile on your face. Someone rightly said that. See everyone, you have to find reasons to be happy. You have to find reasons to be happy. अब होता क्या है, आजकल हम न्यूज़ चैनल्स देखते हैं, हम बहुत पूरे पूरे दिन देखते हैं. गलत नहीं है न्यूज़ चैनल देखना, लेकिन आप थोड़े टाइम के लिए देखो. उतना देखो जितना आपके माइंड पे इफेक्ट नहीं करता है. कि जब हम न्यूज़ चैनल देखते हैं हम डर जाते हैं ना, तो हमको अपने आप को डराना नहीं है. हमें सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी है. हमें सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन लेनी है कि हाँ हमारे देश में क्या क्या हो रहा है. हमें एक्सेस इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं लेनी. ठीक है? तो अब हमें उस चीज़ को ट्रांसफर किस चीज़ से करना है? वी कैन वॉच एनी कॉमेडी वीडियो एज वेल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कपिल शर्मा शो आता है. जब आप कपिल शर्मा शो देखते हो या फिर आप अपना फेवरेट कार्टून देखते हो, यू लाफ, राइट? इजंट इट? You laugh everyone when you see some comedy shows, or when you see some comedy cartoon, you feel good, right? When you laugh, you feel good, isn't it everyone? Isn't it everyone? When you laugh, you feel good, right? So now you have to give yourself one. You should give your time every day, so that you can watch something that is full of comedy, that is full of happiness. Because when you will see that, आपको automatically हंसी आएगी. And जब आप हंसते हो आपको automatically बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Understood? When you feel happy, when you laugh, you feel satisfied. आपका mood अच्छा हो जाता है. Your mood uplifts. Isn't it everyone? Your mood uplifts. So similarly, you have to give yourself some time to watch some comedy shows as well. Because it's a ready-made process through which you can feel happiness. Understood everyone? समझ आया आप लोगों को? Got it? Understood? And the third way through which you can be happy is that you should connect with nature. always remember one thing people, our human body loves nature. For example, जब हवा अच्छी चल रही होती है हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना बाहर खड़ा होना, छत पे जाना हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हवा अच्छी चल रही हो, जब बहुत अच्छा मौसम हो. Why? Because we human beings love nature. जब हम किसी पार्क जाते हैं हम वहाँ पे सुंदर सुंदर प्लांट्स देखते हैं तो हमें भी अच्छा लगता है. We feel good because we love nature. Make this habit of seeing a sunset every day. Sunrise और sunset देखने की हैबिट डालो आप लोग. Right everyone? When you see sunrise, when you see a sunset, right, you feel very good because our human body loves nature. Our human body loves nature. तो आज से आप एक हैबिट डालेंगे कि आज से मैं सनसेट देखूंगा या सनराइज देखूंगी या देखूंगा. So when you see that, you will feel automatically very empowered because sunset is very, very, very beautiful. Sunset is very pretty. And when you see that, you get happiness. You get, wow, this is so beautiful. And when you get this or radiate these kind of words, you feel happy. So you need to connect yourself with some nature. For example, आपके घर में plants है, तो आप जाके plants के साथ बैठो थोड़ी देर. You will feel very good. You will feel very, very good. Like sometimes I have this thing to watch clouds, I have this thing to watch sunset. So it feels very good. It feels very good, okay? All of you understood the concept of connecting with nature? You need to connect yourself with nature, everyone. Okay? Understood everyone? समझ आया? Very good. If you see sunset, amazing. कभी कभी क्या होता है हमारे घर के आसपास बहुत सारी बर्ड्स आ जाती है. So I love to hear them. वो chirping करती हैं. So I love to hear birds chirping. I love to see birds. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है birds की chirping सुनना. I love it. Literally love it. And one more thing, like हमारे घर पे पहले fish aquarium भी था. Fish aquarium. And if you have a pet, pet is also a form of connecting with nature because pets are also living beings, right? When you have a pet, anybody has pets? I have seen sunrise. रोज देखने की आदत डालो. Anybody has pet in their home? किसी के पास कोई pet है? Pets are a very beautiful way to uplift your mood. Because when you have a pet, you are always in a state of love. I have no pets. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. No problem. You connect with nature in a kind of way. But soon I will also adopt I am having fishes. See, when you have fishes as well, like मेरे पास भी aquarium था. I also had an aquarium at my home. So when I had those fishes, every day I used to just go and sit with those fishes, and when I used to see them, it used to give me so much of happiness and relaxation. So fishes, these animals, these pets have a lot of positivity because when we see them, we radiate love. हम जब pet को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं और हम जब उसका प्यार करते हैं, what happens is we are radiating love and we feel happy. Okay? Spend time with your pet. If you don't have, spend time with your nature in terms of sunrise, sunset, watching the clouds, listening to the chirping birds and all those kind of things. Okay? The fourth aspect towards this is that you need to have very, very, very good friends. You need to have very, very, very good friends in your life, everyone. Those who keep you happy. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ फ्रेंड्स होते हैं जिनसे बात करके अच्छा नहीं लगता. वो आपको बोलेंगे यार तू तो कर सकता है, मुझसे तो होता ही नहीं है, मेरे से तो ये चीज़ होती ही नहीं है, एंड एवरीथिंग. दे टेल यू एवरीथिंग नेगेटिव. बट ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी देर आर ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स हु मेक यू लाफ, राइट? So you need to have very good friends who help you laugh, who help you stay positive, who make you feel relaxed. So you have to have such kind of friends in your life. And if you don't have such kind of friends, be alone. It's very good. It's very important to stay away from negativity in your life. Okay, everyone? Got it? Got it, everyone? समझ आया सबको? You need to have very good friends in your life. Exactly, those who keep us happy and help in growing us. Those who inspire us, those who motivate us, right? I have lot of friends. I have a lot of friends like on my social media who are very amazing. Who motivate me, who uplift me, who inspire me every day. So when I talk to them, I feel really very good, right? I feel very good. So you also need to have such kind of friends in your life. The next thing is, every day you need to have a habit of meditation. Every day develop a habit of meditation in your life, everyone. Every day develop a habit of meditation, because when you meditate, your thoughts become really slow and your thinking process slows down. And when it slows down, you experience relaxation. And when you do that, you experience lot of love, lot of affection for yourself, and you always feel happy. Awesome, everyone. You need to develop habits of meditation in your day-to-day life. Understood, everyone? समझ आया? हमने पहला पॉइंट क्या डिस्कस किया था? You should not compare yourself. Second was smile. You need to smile a lot. You need to watch such things that keeps you happy. The third thing is, you have to connect with nature in the form, if you have pets, you can go and watch sunset every day, you can listen to the birds, you can watch the flowers, you can watch the clouds. This gives you happiness. And the fourth one is meditating. Every day, make it a point that you are meditating for around 10 to 15 minutes every day, because when you do meditation, आपको जो thought process है वो slow down हो जाता है. And जब आपका thought process slow down हो जाता है, what happens over there is कि आप लोग relaxed feel करते हो. You feel relaxed, and then you feel happy also. Understood, everyone? Make sense? Got it? Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? समझ आया सबको? Give me a yes or a no. Understood, everyone? 4 points are clear? Very good, Kalpana, very good. If you do meditation, it's very amazing. It's very good if you do meditation every day. Okay? Very good, everyone, very good. Very good. Awesome students I have, right? The next thing that we all have to take care of is what we think. And what we think, आप अपने आप को रिलैक्स कैसे फील करवा सकते हो? That is, have this habit of listening to instrumental music every day or peaceful music every day. Right now, we are always listening to music that are very violent, that are very loud. बहुत सारे आजकल ट्रैक्स आ जाते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड होते हैं, हम उनको सुनते हैं. So that doesn't suit us. That doesn't give us relaxation and peacefulness in our mind. Okay? So you have to make sure, everyone, that आप लोग कुछ musical सुनो that is very peaceful. That is very peaceful, right? तो आप कभी कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंटल सुन सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, मुझे फ्लूट बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बांसुरी इज माई फेवरेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, राइट? सो आई मेक दिस अ पॉइंट दैट एवरी डे मैं थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के बांसुरी जरूर सुनती हूँ. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. अभी आप ये सुनोगे कि मैं कैसे सुनती हूँ. आई लिसन इट ऑन यूट्यूब. मैं यूट्यूब पे डाल देती हूँ फ्लूट म्यूजिक और एनी सच काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, और आई राइट डाउन पीसफुल music for calmness, peaceful music for positivity. And when I do that and when I listen to that for 5-10 minutes, मेरा mind relax हो जाता है. And I feel really happy. So you need to indulge yourself in listening to peaceful music, everyone. Got it? समझ आया सबको? Understood, everyone? Piano is your favorite instrument, so make it a point that every day you will listen to some piano music every day. You can go and search it on YouTube and you will get a lot of peaceful music on piano. You have to make it a point, everyone, okay? समझ आया? Got it, everyone? समझ आया सबको? Understood? everyone? हाँ ना ना हाँ मैं भी किंतु परंतु कुछ तो लिखो. Understood everyone? Got to understand? अरे आपके घर में नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको YouTube पे सुन लिया करो कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक, कोई पीसफुल म्यूजिक. Have this habit of listening to a peaceful music every day for 10 minutes. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. Okay? Awesome. The thing that gives me a lot of happiness, everyone, is looking good. Looking good always gives you a lot of happiness. For example, अगर आपको ये लगता हो कि मैम यहाँ पे आने के लिए मैम ऐसे ड्रेसअप होके आती है, मैं रियल लाइफ में भी जब लॉकडाउन चलता है या लॉकडाउन होता है, या इवन इफ व्हेन आई एम नॉट गोइंग समवेयर, इवन इफ आई एम एट माई होम, आई मेक दिस अ पॉइंट दैट आई लुक वेरी वेरी गुड, because when I look good and when I see myself in the mirror, I get a lot of confidence. I get a lot of confidence. I feel happy. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. So it's very very important, everyone. You should look good every day. अब रोज अच्छे लगो, अच्छे दिखो. Make your hair well groomed. Wash your face. Change your clothes every day. ये हैबिट होती है बहुत लोगों की, वो कपड़े चेंज नहीं करते हैं अपने. 2-2, 3-3 दिन नहाना नहीं है, 2-2, 3-3 दिन आपको कपड़े चेंज नहीं करने. नो, you should not do that. You should indulge yourself. You should keep yourself very very clean. You should keep yourself very very clean. You should keep yourself very very, I would say, you should always look good. Always wear clean clothes, right? This gives you a lot of happiness because it gives you satisfaction in your mind. It gives you relaxation in your mind. When you see yourself in mirror, you feel good, right? Okay, I'm looking so positive today. I'm looking so beautiful today. I'm looking so smart today, right? So you have to indulge yourself in looking good every day. Make sense, everyone? This will give you a lot of happiness. Trust me. This will give you a lot of happiness. Understood, everyone? समझ आया? Got to understand, everyone? Exactly. Cleanliness brings positivity. For example, आपका घर बहुत बिखरा हुआ है, आपका रूम बहुत बिखरा हुआ है, तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता ना? You don't feel good, right? Similarly, it happens with me as well. When I see things that are very cluttered up, the things that are not at their places, so I also feel very much bad. I also don't feel good. But the moment I clean my room, but the moment I help my mom in cleaning up the house, I feel good because it brings positivity. So all of you remember this thing, that you need to indulge yourself in looking good every day. Making your room look very good every day. Making your environment look very good every day. Right? Because it brings a lot of positivity and you feel very relaxed. Right, everyone? Make sense? Understood? हमने क्या क्या सीखा अभी तक? First point was not to compare yourself. Second point was smiling. Indulge yourself in activities that bring you smile. The third one was कि आपको अपने क्या था third? You should connect with the nature every day. That अगर आपके पास कोई pet है, आप pet के साथ time spend करिए, नहीं तो आप sunset देखिए, नहीं तो you can watch anything that you love. You should connect with nature, spend time. The fourth one was you should make a point that you are looking very good, or the fourth one was that you should make a point that you focus on only happy things, right? You need to have very good friends in your life. You need to have those friends in your life, those who help in grooming yourself, those who help in staying you happy. Don't have those friends, those who are making you stay negative in your life. Okay? That's how you develop happiness in your life, right? Understood, everyone? And the last one was you have to look very good every day. And one point that was also covered, that instrumental music, जो peaceful music होते हैं, loud music मत सुना करो. Listen to music that are very peaceful because it relaxes your mind. And one more point to discuss, that point was meditation every day. Meditation every day. Yes, sit with your elders like Dada Dadi. I was coming up to that point that you need to spend time with your family every day. Spend time with your family, play Ludo with them, talk to them, stay with them. If you feel very good, you feel very happy, right? And the entire atmosphere of the home also gets very relaxed. You feel relaxed and you feel very satisfied, and that gives you a lot of happiness. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Understood? Understood, everyone? Got to understand? Do something every day that gives you a lot of happiness. That was covered, right? That meditation आप करो, रोज करनी चाहिए meditation. Indulge yourself in book reading because see everyone, book reading करने से क्या होता है? First thing is when you read a book, you actually are indulging yourself in reading something positive, and it gives you a lot of hope. When you read a self-help book, it gives you a lot of hope. It gives you relaxation, right? So when you are relaxed, when you read a book, you feel very good because you are learning something very good. And always, that is why it is said, happiness लाने के लिए life में you need to do something every day that you don't know. That you don't know. Okay? So that you learn something new every day and you feel very much motivated that yes, you feel relaxed, you feel satisfied. कि आज मैंने कुछ नया सीखा. आज मैंने कुछ नया सीखा and that gives you a lot of happiness. Understood, everyone? This concept of happiness is clear, everyone? Understood? Crystal clear? Everyone, crystal clear? Understood? And everyone, why you are so focused upon secret box? आप करते तो हो नहीं. आप सीक्रेट बॉक्स पूछते तो करते तो हो नहीं, तो इतने एक्साइटेड क्यों रहते हो कि फटाफट सीक्रेट बॉक्स आए, हम सेशन खत्म करें और मैम जाए? इसलिए आप एक्साइटेड तब रहो जब आप रोज वो करो. करते तो हो नहीं, आप नेक्स्ट डे आप एक्सक्यूज दे देते हो, राइट? सो यू नीड टू फोकस अपॉन, इफ यू आर सो एक्साइटेड यू हैव टू डू द एक्टिविटीज एज वेल. आप लोग मुझे रोज बोल देते हो मैम नेटवर्क इशू था, मैम हम प्रिपेयर नहीं कर पाए, हम कहीं बाहर गए थे. ऐसे नहीं होता है, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. अगर आप कुछ पूछ रहे हो, अगर आपको कोई टास्क दिया जा रहा है तो आपको रोज उसको करना भी है, क्योंकि शायद वो टीचर बहुत टाइम लगा के आपको लिए टास्क बनाती है. अंडरस्टूड? गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड? So, all of you, this concept of happiness is clear. You got to learn a lot of things today. You got to learn a lot of things today, everyone. Yes or no? Very good, very good. All of you, do you prepare notes every day? You are preparing your notes also, everyone? Everyone, are you preparing your notes every day? You are preparing your notes? All the parents, those who are seeing this with your child, you are requested to kindly check the notebooks of your child that they are preparing notes or not. Otherwise, it's very difficult कि हम कोई गारंटी ले कि आपके बच्चे को याद रहेगी ये सब चीजें. Right? And please make sure that whatever the task and whatever teachings they are getting from different teachers, they are applying them in their real life. Okay? So it actually helps the students to get that zeal to do something because his or her parent is also excited. Exactly. Positivity and happiness is very, very important. Okay? Let's move forward to the secret box of the day, everyone. Excited? Let's move forward to the secret box of the day. Let's move forward to the secret box of the day. Every day you are excited for the secret box? Yes? Very good. तो आपका सीक्रेट बॉक्स आज भी वही है कि आपको अपनी कंपटीशन की वीडियोस भेजनी है. कि आपको अपनी वीडियोस भेजनी है. ओके? You have to send your videos for the competition by today itself. आप लोग रावल डिजिटल मंच के पेज पे जाएंगे, ठीक है? वहाँ पे आप लोग चेक करेंगे कि आपके कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स उन्होंने दिए हुए हैं एंड वहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग फिर अपनी वीडियो सेंड करेंगे. समझ आया? एक और टास्क भी है आपके लिए. यू आल्सो हैव वन मोर टास्क. जैसे मैंने आपको एक चीज़ लिखवाई थी ना कि आप इस पेपर पे लिखेंगे आई लव माई सेल्फ, that I love myself. Today you will write on the paper that I am happy. I am happy. Okay? Today you will take a paper, you will take a strip of paper and you will write on it that I am happy. And you will paste it somewhere, you can see it all the time. And you have to send me the photo of I am happy on my mail ID, okay? poojagulati999@gmail.com. Okay everyone? Got it? Understood? अंडरस्टूड है। आप एक चीज़ ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने मिरर के सामने खड़े हुए, यू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर मिरर, यू टेक योर मदर्स एंड फादर्स फोन एंड यू टेक अ मिरर फोटो। जैसे हम बैक कैमरा ऑन करके एक मिरर फोटो लेते हैं, उस फोटो पे आप लिख के रखो, उस फोटो पे आप किसी भी एप्लीकेशन से जैसे लिख सकते हैं ना, उस पर लिखो दैट आई एम हैप्पी और वो मुझे सेंड करना, ठीक है? I am happy और वो मुझे सेंड करना, ठीक है? You will stand in front of a mirror, you will click your picture and then write on it that I am happy. That I am happy. Understood everyone? Got it? Understood everyone? Got it? Got to understand? Got to understand? So what did you like the most in today's session? Everyone? What did you like the most in today's session? Everyone tell me what is your favorite point? What is your favorite learning from today's session? Tell me. Your favorite learning from today's session. Tell me. And which is your favorite class out of all the classes that are going on in the summer camp? Which is your favorite class, everyone? Tell me. Your favorite learning and your favorite class. Yeah, you can write on your picture that I am happy. Use any application, use anything, you can write it. You can write it easily, okay? So which is your favorite class, everyone, in the entire summer camp? Tell me. लिखो, बताओ, गायब से हो जाते हो तुम लोग। Nature's beauty and listen to music. Yes, you have to do it every day. This is your favorite learning, right? Okay, very good. Which is your favorite class, everyone, in the entire summer camp? Also tell me that. Personality development. आप इसलिए वाली चीज़ बोल रहे हो कि personality development की क्लास चल रही है? कोडिंग की क्लास बोलोगे मैं सर कोडिंग, सिंगिंग की क्लास बोलोगे सॉरी पेंटिंग की क्लास बोलोगे मैम पेंटिंग। बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ, राइट? दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। If you are saying personality development, thank you so much. And thank yourself too that you are giving your time over here to grow yourself. That is also very, very important, okay? Self-esteem is my... Self-esteem नहीं होता, self-esteem होता है, ESEEM. What is self-esteem? There is no word like self-esteem, Mayank. Self-esteem, self-ESTEEM. Okay? Personality development is the best class. Thank you. ESTEEM. TEM, TEEM. Right? It's TEEM. Okay, everyone? Got it? Got to understand? Got to understand? And I was asking everyone, see, which is your favorite learning? May आज के सेक्शन में सब which is your favorite learning out of the entire learnings that you have been given today? Awesome. कोई बात नहीं, आप मत लिखो। ठीक है everyone, thank you so much everybody for joining in and have a very good day ahead. Attend all the classes. Submit your assignments, submit your videos by sending it on the WhatsApp number. Send your videos and do click a picture of yours by the back camera of your phone and write on it that I I'm happy. Yes, Mayank, tell me. Excuse me की ये spelling नहीं होती है. EXCUSE space ME. Okay? Excuse me की ये spelling नहीं होती है. आप लोग अपनी स्पेलिंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दो, आगे जाके बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं तो. बोलो मयंक, what you want to say? Bye ma'am, social distancing in words. Nice. But don't make it a habit, twins, okay? It's good for fun, but don't make it a habit, okay? Bye, Kush. Bye, everyone. So, Mayank was saying something, right? Let's listen what he wants to say. Ma'am, nothing. तो बोला क्यों था? Improve your spellings, everyone. It's very, very important, okay? You have to improve your spellings. Otherwise, it becomes really difficult for you to cope up in the future. And communication is not only how you speak, it's also how you write. Writing skills are also included in your communication skills. Ma'am, you're looking beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Mayank. Thank you. So it was really amazing. I enjoyed with you. Remember, only 2 days are left. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, the session will be there. So give your entire best thing and groom yourself, love yourself, develop yourself, and respect your parents, respect your teachers. And let's thank Travel Digital Month once again for organizing such an amazing summer camp. And just be yourself. Respect others. Say thanks to your teachers, thanks to your parents, thanks to your siblings, that they are doing so much for you. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.